this overview, we are going to discuss the rich text features that have been added in DHIS 2.32. These features allow you to add formatting, such as bold and italic text, to your descriptions and interpretations of items saved within the analysis apps and shown on the dashboard. You can see an example of this in the descriptions panel of the chart that is currently open. In order to add this type of formatting to your descriptions, we can use rich text characters to wrap our text so it appears as we want it to in the descriptions panel within DHIS 2. For example, in order to bold our text, we wrap our text with asterisks on either side. And for italics, we wrap our text using underscores. Let's go ahead and review how the chart's description was formatted. Items wrapped in asterisks will actually be bolded in the description within DHIS 2, while those wrapped with underscores will be italicized. In order to add these descriptions to items within DHIS 2, we can do this either directly when we save an analysis item, or if we did not initially have a description saved, we could rename our chart and add the description later on. If you are renaming the chart, make sure to reload it after you have saved the description to see your new changes reflected. After these are saved, you can view the formatted text of these descriptions within DHIS 2. These give much more meaning to the analysis you are creating and sharing, and it's a good idea to think about adding action-based descriptions to your analyses when possible. These descriptions can also be viewed directly on the dashboard. You can see this if we find the chart we have been working with and open up the descriptions panel. After opening up the panel, you can see the description formatted correctly directly on the dashboard. You can also apply these features to interpretations, both on the dashboard as well as within the various analysis apps. Formatting our interpretations is made a bit easier compared to formatting our descriptions. You can see when I click on the interpretations panel. There are now toggles for putting in links, bolding and italicizing our text, and even adding emojis. You can use these buttons to directly format your interpretations. You can see that when I click on one of the toggles, it adds the rich text wrappers directly to the interpretation where you can then add your text. After saving the interpretation, you should be able to view the interpretation formatted in the way you have specified directly on the dashboard, as well as in the analysis app of the item that you are working with. Rich text adds the ability to format your descriptions and interpretations in both the analysis apps as well as directly on the dashboard. This can add a great deal of additional meaning and guidance to the outputs you produce. We look forward to any feedback you might have on this feature. For any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us on the Community of Practice.